Work. Power. These two words are part of our everyday vocabulary, but what do they mean? To many, work is their job, whether it be at a 9 to 5 or working at a fast food restaurant. Power. To some, it could mean physical strength, and to others, authority. But if you were to ask a physicist, they would say that work is the amount of energy it takes to get a task done, and power is how fast said job can be done. My name is Mackenzie, and today I'm going to explain these two topics and how they are used in everyday activities.
As I said earlier, work is the amount of energy required to get something done. But in mathematical terms, work is equal to the force times the distance. Work is measured in joules, force in newtons, and distance in meters. Power is the amount of work it takes in a certain amount of time. So power equals work over time. Power being in watts, work in joules, as we just said, and time in seconds. For example, let's say someone is pushing a cart and they are using 20 newtons of force, and they are pushing it for 5 meters. They would be doing 100 joules of work. Now let's say that that person pushing the cart took 10 seconds to push it. They would have used 10 watts of power doing that job. Now let's say the same scenario, but the person took 20 seconds to complete it. That means they would only have used 5 watts of power. So as you can see, when the work remains the same, the power can change depending on how fast the job is done. And now I have a visual example. For these two tosses, I'm releasing with the same force and distance, but different amounts of time. As you can see, the tosses have different amounts of power. Thanks for watching! I hope you enjoyed and learned something new.